Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to unarchive posts on Instagram. So, let's get started. First, open Instagram on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your profile. In your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Archive. Here's where all your archived posts are stored. Now find the post you want to unarchive and click on it. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner. In the Options menu, you'll see Show on Profile. Tap on it. Instagram will ask for your confirmation, so go ahead and confirm it by tapping Show. Now, head back to your profile. Your unarchived post should be back on your profile for everyone to see. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.